Most people don't realize AI isn't just replacing jobs, it's creating brand new ones. And the people who learn to use AI tools today are the ones getting ahead fastest.
10 AI tools that can realistically earn you $100 to $1,000 per project in 2025. I'll show the exact workflows, prompts, and what to charge. Watch till the end for a bonus tool and a free plug-and-play template you can use today. First up, ChatGPT. This is the Swiss Army knife for content creators and freelancers. Use it to write video scripts, blog posts, ad copy, email funnels, even cold outreach that converts. How you make money: produce content faster, more videos equals more chances to go viral. Sell writing gigs on Fiverr or Upwork, or package prompts and sell them as prompt packs to businesses. Quick tip: don't just ask for text and give it a clear structure. Write a 600-word YouTube script with a hook, 5 points, and a 15-second CTA. That one prompt saves hours.
Tool 2, 11 Labs, studio-quality AI voiceovers. Instead of hiring voice actors, you can generate natural-sounding narration for dozens of videos per day. Monetize by creating faceless YouTube videos, selling voiceover services, or producing audiobooks and selling them. Pro tip: use a short human sample, if you own it, for more natural voices, or pick the expressive voices mode for emotion. Deliverable idea: charge $20 to $50 per video voiceover on Fiverr.
Next, Synthesia or Pictory. These tools turn scripts into videos with AI presenters or automatic scene creation. If you want to make explainer videos without filming, these are gold. Use them to create client videos, paid course trailers, or sell done-for-you video packages. Business idea: offer 5 short promo videos for $150 to local businesses who don't want to film. Tool 4. Image generators like Midjourney and Leonardo. Use them to create standout thumbnails, channel art, product mockups, or sell prints and merch. A single great thumbnail can double CTR and push a video to virality. That's direct income. Quick trick: prompt for hyper-realistic money imagery or futuristic UI scenes to catch the eye. Package thumbnails as a service on Fiverr or sell custom art packs. Descript is an editor that treats audio like a document. Edit by deleting text, overdub voice edits, and export clips for shorts in seconds. This is perfect for repurposing long videos into multiple short clips to maximize views. Monetization: edit other creators' videos, produce podcast editing services, and charge monthly retainers. Runway gives you AI motion tools, background removal, color grading, and generative video effects. If you want high-polish, faceless videos that look unique, Runway helps you stand out. Offer higher-tier packages. I will create a 60-second, high-end product demo using generative VFX. Clients pay $200+. Use cool effects sparingly so your thumbnails and first 5 seconds do the heavy lifting. This one I promised. AI copy tools like Jasper. They help you write high-converting ad copy, email funnels, and landing pages. Why this can make you rich. One good funnel can convert cold traffic into buyers, and AI slashes the time to produce testable ad variations. Use the tool to create and test ad copy for affiliates or your own products. Charge clients for conversion-optimized campaigns. Canva Pro now has AI features: one-click background remove, instant templates, and magic write. It's the fastest way to produce thumbnails, social posts, and video assets. Monetization: sell Canva templates, brand kits, or offer thumbnail bundles. Recurring passive income if you list templates on marketplaces. Developers: Copilot and Replit speed up app and tool creation. Build micro SaaS, automation bots, or paid YouTube tools like keyword scrapers. Then monetize via subscriptions. You don't have to be a senior dev. Copilot helps you prototype fast. find freelancers to finish, and launch small paid tools that return monthly revenue. Finally, automation. Zapier or Make plus Notion AI lets you automate content creation pipelines. Script generation, voiceover, video draft, upload, social posting, all with minimal human work. Sell workflow setups to small creators or agencies. If you automate 10 channels, you're effectively running a media business with passive income streams. Which tool would you try first? Comment below.